Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by weighing ingredients precisely. Use 150 grams almond flour and 150 grams powdered sugar for 24 to 30 shells. Sift together twice to remove lumps. Separate eggs and weigh whites to 100 grams and age them 24 to 48 hours in the fridge. Cold, aged whites whip more consistently. Stir in 1 teaspoon cream of tartar to stabilize the meringue before whipping. Prepare 2 baking sheets and line with silicone or parchment, and preheat the oven to 300 degrees F so it's fully up when shells are ready. Whip egg whites with 30 grams granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla until glossy, firm peaks form and the peaks hold without collapsing. Add the sifted almond powdered sugar mixture in 2 additions and fold gently. Fold in 20 to 30 strokes until the batter flows like lava and falls in a thick ribbon. Transfer to a piping bag and pipe 3. 5 cm rounds spaced 2 cm apart. Tap trays twice on the counter to release large air bubbles. Let shells rest 20 to 40 minutes until a light skin forms. Bake shells at 300 degrees F for 12 to 14 minutes, rotating trays halfway through to ensure even color and feet development. Remove and cool completely on the tray before peeling. Match shells by size to assemble 24 to 36 filled macarons depending on batch. Fill with 1/2 cup buttercream or chocolate ganache per 12 pairs. Pipe a small dollop in the center, then sandwich and press gently. Refrigerate filled macarons 24 hours to mature flavor and texture. Then bring to room.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.